जी, assalamualaikum guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Closal Creation. I hope you guys are all fine. Okay, let me make sure that you guys have watched my last videos, but if not yet then go for it. I have just mentioned the link in the description box below. Okay, so for now move towards the next video, next topic that is related to COVID-19 symptoms of coronavirus. That how you guys came to know that you are at the chance of getting COVID-19, that you are infected either. So first of all, the most important thing that we guys should know that what are the symptoms of COVID-19 कि ऐसे कौन से symptoms हैं जिसके थ्रू आप लोग ये डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि either you are suffering from this pandemic or not. First of all, let's guys discuss the most common symptoms. Okay, come on guys and check the symptoms one by one. So okay guys, the first and the most important symptom of COVID-19 is getting fever. That you guys all are familiar with this situation, with this condition, with this state. So okay, what actually happens in this? Let's talk about fever. This is the stage when your body temperature rises from 36-37 degree to 38 degrees Celsius. And being human being, our normal body temperature is 36 to 37. If it rises up to this temperature, then you guys definitely have a fever and you guys should visit your doctor or consultant. So the second symptom is getting that dry cough, that you guys are suffering from intense dry cough. And in this condition you guys maybe feel some kind of irritation or some throat pain like itching, कि आप लोगों के थ्रोट का भी कुछ ना कुछ इचिंग हो सकती है, आप इरिटेट हो सकते हैं and whatever you guys say. Let's move to the third most common symptom, that is tiredness, that you guys feel like so dumb, so tired कि आप लोगों के फटीग हो सकता है, आप लोग मतलब लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्ड फील कर सकते हो. Just look at this frame that the person is just tired like. So okay guys, let's move to the next phase, that is less common symptoms. So okay guys, let's discuss them one by one. First of all, there is the most common and important symptom over here, that is aches and pains. Like अगर आप अपने किसी भी बॉडी पार्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा खिंचाव फील कर रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा पेन फील कर रहे हैं, then you guys may be at the risk of getting COVID-19. Body part may be of your elbow joint, your knee joint, your shoulder, your ये पेन आपकी किसी भी बॉडी पार्ट में हो सकता है. So if you are observing such pain, then please visit your doctor or your consultant. The next symptom over here is your sore throat. Like if you guys are observing any pain, any scratchiness or irritation in your throat, then it may be the result of your sore throat. So guys, what actually happens in this kind of condition, that अगर आप कुछ भी swallow कर रहे हो तो you guys will have severe throat pain that is just unbearable guys. Next symptom over here is that rash on your skin. If you guys are observing any kind of rash on your skin, any kind of redness, any kind of allergy on your skin, या किसी भी किस्म का स्किन ऑर्डर अगर आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो अपनी बॉडी में, तो यू गाइज शुड कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर बिकॉज इट मे बी द पॉसिबिलिटी दैट यू गाइज आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम COVID-19. Next symptom over here is observing the diarrhea. If you guys are suffering from diarrhea, then you guys probably have the risk of having COVID-19. Now move towards the next symptom, that is headache. Like अगर आप अपने हेड में किसी भी किस्म का पेन फील कर रहे हैं, it may be your migraine or whatever. So you should not ignore this pain and consult your doctor or physician as soon as possible because it may be the possibility that you guys are suffering from COVID-19. So you should be careful. By moving on, we observe the next symptom over here, that is loss of smell and taste. Like guys, अगर आपको फूड में किसी चीज़ का स्मेल नहीं आ रही, किसी चीज़ का टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा, आप किसी अरोमा को डिटेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे, आपको स्मेल नहीं आ रही बिल्कुल, आप किसी फूड को स्मेल नहीं कर पा रहे, that you guys are getting tasteless, then you guys probably have the condition that you are suffering from COVID-19. Now guys, let's move towards the next phase, that are the very serious symptoms of having COVID-19. First and the most important symptom over here is that shortness of breath. Like you guys are finding difficulty in breathing, कि आप लोगों को सांस नहीं आ रहा, आप लोग एयर का इंटेक नहीं कर पा रहे, आप लोगों के ब्रीथ का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. Like you guys probably have the lung disease, you guys probably have heart disease, then you guys should consult your doctor because it is the possibility that you guys are having COVID-19. The next most important, most common and the most dangerous symptom over here is that you guys are suffering from chest pain. Like अगर आपको किसी भी किस्म का chest pain बहुत ज़्यादा severe हो रहा है, then you guys should not take it as easy as simple, because it is one of the possibility, one of the symptom that guys let you make sure that you guys are having COVID-19. What actually happen in this kind of condition, that you guys are feeling difficulty in breathing while coughing, while sneezing. So if you guys are suffering from this condition, then you should be careful, because you probably have COVID-19. The next symptom over here is that loss of speech and movement. Like if you guys are finding difficulty in speaking, you find difficulty in moving, then you guys probably have COVID-19, and this is the very serious condition of the COVID-19 patient. So you should be very careful if you just observe this symptom, and must visit your doctor as soon as possible, because you are at the risk of having COVID-19. So okay guys, these were some of the most common symptoms, less common symptoms, and the most serious symptoms of having COVID-19 as well. If you guys like my video, then please go for like, comment and share my video, and please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up to my video. Thank you.